What keeps us going? What energizes us, revitalizes us, and breathes life into ordinary moments? In a world where there is always something to do, a new responsibility to handle, a new problem to solve, how do you stay grounded? Staying grounded is about making the most of the moments you love. Appreciating the little things that remind you to enjoy life along the way. Life isn't meant to be rushed, and your coffee isn't meant to be hurried. It gives meaning to everyday experiences and fuels you through those stressful moments. That first sip always serves as a reset button. One that makes every situation better, every interaction lighter, and every moment yours. When everything in your life fails, your coffee never should. And with us by your side, we promise it never will.
One, two, three. I've been running from the pain, trying not to feel the same, but it's a shame that we miss again. See, my confidence is shaking and my heart is feeling vacant, so you try to fill it in. You said I could fix the broken in your heart, your words said, darling, but I don't know why you're shooting in the dark. I got faith in nothing. But love, pray for me. I never had somebody, so I don't know how to love. Pray for me. I know I need somebody, so I can learn how to on trial for the way I used to be. My head is running miles, round in circles, and I try to finally to lie in me. You said I could fix the broken in your heart, your words said, darling, but I don't know why you're shooting in the dark. I got faith in nothing.
This is the Silva Ink manual coffee or spice grinder, and it already comes put together, but essentially it comes apart like this. And step one is to put the beans. It comes with a scoop, so you can just scoop your beans out of the bag. Okay, I did about 4 scoops. And you put the top back on, and then you fit the grind lever, and then you just turn. When you're grinding, you can always adjust the grind by clockwise is for a finer grind, and then counterclockwise is for a coarser grind. Okay, the grind I'm going to show you is the coarse grind. So that is a coarse grind. Now a fine grind, I'll just tighten it up. This will be a fine grind. And they've given you a brush to clean it. So basically after you use it, you just kind of take this paintbrush almost and sweep out your grinds.